Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI and Windows. So let's get started. First things first, to make this method work, you need to disable mouse acceleration in your settings. Go to your Windows search bar at the bottom left of your screen and type mouse settings. Click on the mouse settings option that appears. In the settings window, click on additional mouse options located at the top right corner. This will open the mouse properties window. Navigate to the pointer options tab at the top. Under the motion section, make sure to uncheck enhance pointer precision. This will turn off mouse acceleration. Once you've done that, you can close all the settings windows. Next, open your web browser and type DPI Analyzer into the search bar. Hit enter. From the search results, click on the link that says www.mousesensitivity.com and has DPI Analyzer Mouse Sensitivity Community. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the table and the ruler underneath it. In the target distance box, enter the number 1. This means you'll be measuring your DPI by moving your mouse 1 inch across your mouse pad in real life. Click and hold the red target on the ruler, then drag your mouse 1 inch to the right. It might take a few tries to get it accurate, but once you feel you've done a good job, your actual DPI will be displayed in green under the table. And that's how you check your mouse DPI in Windows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.